Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum as we're heading into a new trading week. Not quite yet, but we're heading towards the weekly candle close, and today after the break above the $3,300 level and the retest of that level, you can actually see that. We're going to zoom in a minute, but there was a retest here of that key support of our green line, of that breakout line. Yeah, since that happened, we've seen a little bit of upside momentum. It's all very fragile. I've got the impression this is all very fragile. It doesn't really have that momentum that we would normally like to see in an impulsive move. But still, the price is climbing slowly. And the yellow wave count at the moment seems to be in control, even though I have to say it could also be the white count. I mean, as I said before, these counts will be difficult to distinguish until we get 5 waves up in yellow, which need to reach in 5 waves the $3,770 level. So that's really the confirmation needed to really tell us that here on the 13th of April, the price bottomed in a 4th wave, that we've started the pathway to new all-time highs. We won't really have any strong confirmation for that before, okay? Because as I explained, we're moving just in corrective structures. Yep, we are forming higher highs and higher lows. The price reacted to the most recent support region here, highlighted in orange, and actually broke out above that $3,300 level, the previous swing highs. That was very important because without that, we couldn't have followed the yellow count further. Now, this opens the door and it keeps the yellow count alive, I should say. As I mentioned in previous updates, the third wave target, the first ideal target, is pointing to $3,624. Really, even in a diagonal, I'd like to get the third wave there to the 1.38 extension. Then we should still get a 4th wave and a 5th wave. The white count is also plausible, but only as a WXY structure. And in this scenario, we have formed a low here, but not the overall wave 4 correction, which started middle of March. This was only an A wave low in a larger WXY pattern. Then we're now basically in this circle B, which is a WXY. That's why we cannot rule out short-term bearish count, okay? Because here we are moving in an A, B, C pattern. The main benefit of all of that is that it tells us that we still have to be on the side of caution, that this could still easily break down in wave C of Y. And then if we have a top in place, we can calculate a target for circle C. For now, both counts are moving together, both yellow and white. Yeah. So this could be a C wave in the white count or a C wave in the yellow count. So there's no way of telling the difference really. The only difference, well, these wave counts will diverge from each other after we have a top in place here. So what I'd like to see actually is the price get to 3,520, 3,530. That would be a key target for the white C wave. Ideally though, to get us a little bit more strength and to indicate that the yellow count might be in control, I'd like to get it to 3,620. That would give me a clearer wave 3. So to make that maybe a little bit more understandable, normally when we talk about a 5 wave move like in a diagonal like the yellow count, the third wave to be reliable, somewhat reliable, diagonals we have to always be skeptical, but to be somehow reliable, we need the third wave get to the 1.38 extension. The 1.236 is valid, but it is quite questionable. Okay, it's quite questionable. So it could then easily, because it could be the white count, all right? Even in the yellow, even if we get a little higher, it could still be the white count, but it would put a bit more emphasis, okay, on the yellow count. Either way, we need it to hold a higher low in a 4th wave as soon as we put this top in place there. So the levels are clear. I think we should already expect some resistance around 3,400. Yeah, that's just another level to watch. And then these two are going to be key as we're heading towards the weekly candle close and as we head into a new trading week. I'm already on the 15-minute chart, so I'm not going to go any smaller, but I just wanted to share with you how we broke out, retested this level from above, and now we are moving I don't want to say, we're taking off or anything, because this is still all pretty slow for crypto, even though we start to see finally some upside. That's quite positive, because this range bound movement was getting really, really boring. So someone's moving the furniture, which is good. Bitcoin is also moving up a little bit, but Ether seems to be leading the way today, which is fantastic. Yeah, that's my update about ETH. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.